Potato, tofu and mushroom miso soup. Prepare the ingredients. Roughly chop a handful of dried seaweed into small pieces. Place the seaweed into 8 cups of water. Turn on the heat and bring the water to just boiling. Slice 4 small potatoes into rounds. Dice 1 large mushroom into small pieces. Cut 250 grams of firm tofu into a small dice. Finally slice 3 shallots on a diagonal. Add 1 cup of water to the miso a little bit at a time and mix into a smooth paste. When the seaweed water is warm, just before boiling, add the sliced potatoes, add the diced tofu and stir. Bring to a light simmer and cook until the potatoes are soft. Stir in the miso, add the chopped shallots, then serve.